Hello gamers! Welcome to another one of my videos dedicated for Attract Mode Plus front end. In this video, we are going to use my Excel VBA-enabled program called Attract Mode Plus Config Generator 2.0 RetroArch.xlsm. It is an improved version, compared to the one in my other channel. For this demo, we are going to configure Sega Mega Drive ROMs for Attract Mode Plus. I have already downloaded and extracted Attract Mode Plus and RetroArch. They are on my desktop. Also on my desktop are my artworks and Sega Mega Drive ROMs for this demo. Seems like we have a lot to cover, so let's go. First thing that we're going to do is to make sure that we install the necessary core for Sega Mega Drive in RetroArch. Open RetroArch, from main menu go to Online Updater, Core Downloader, then scroll to this core and press Enter key to install, as shown here. Take note of the core or DLL name, blastum_libretro.dll, we need it later. Open my Excel program. Always start a new project by clicking the Reset All button. Click on the Attract Mode Plus button. Find your Attract Mode folder. In this demo, it is on my desktop. Click one time on Desktop, click one time on Attract Mode Plus folder, make sure you see the folder name here, then click OK. Next click on RetroArch button. Click one time on RetroArch folder, make sure you see it in the folder name box here, then click OK. Now, click on ROMs button. Find your ROMs folder, in my case it is the Mega Drive folder on my desktop, make sure you see it in the folder name box here, then click OK. If everything is OK, we will see the ROMs listed here in column M. If you do not see any of your ROMs here, means you are in the wrong folder or path. Click ROMs button again till you get the right path. Click in cell D9, and expand the option by clicking the caret or the expander arrow as shown here. Select the correct option. In this demo, Sega is selected, since our ROMs are Mega Drive ROMs. When the console is chosen, the cores option in cell D13 will list only Sega cores. Select the core as shown. If everything is OK, we will see the cells in light green populated automatically, as you can see here. This is what we want. Do not edit or delete anything from these cells, it contains XLOOKUP formula, essentials for this program to work properly. In case you need to edit it, do it in column M after we generate CFG later. As you can see, the automatic selected core in cell D13 points to the correct library or .dll, the same as what we installed in RetroArch. This is what we want. As for the info source in cell D19, leave it as it is. Now key in the emulator's name in cell D21. This is the only cell that we manually key in the value. Preferably, type in a short name for our emulator, as long as we know what it is. I type in Sega-MD as our emulator. Once we are ready, click the Generate CFG button. Preview of the config file will be shown here in column M. You can edit this column, for example the ROM extensions you want to add more or remove some, up to you. I prefer to leave it as it is. Next, click on Write CFG button. An information box will appear. Click OK to close the information box. Lastly, click the Generate Folders button. This will create folders in Attract Mode Plus Scraper folder for artworks. Click OK to close the message box. Close the Excel program, choose to save or not to save, up to you. Open Attract Mode Plus. Press the Tab key to get to Configure page as shown here. Select Emulators and press Enter. As you can see, Attract Mode Plus has detected our Sega MD configuration here. Select this emulator and press Enter. Scroll down until you get to this option and press Enter. When finished, we should see the number of entries written to the ROM list. Now select Scrape Artwork. When finished, go back to the Configure page and select Displays. Select Sega MD and press Enter. Choose this theme as shown here. You can refer to my previous video on how to set up Attract Mode and where to download this Nevato theme. The link is in the description below. At this moment, our UI looks like this, as you know that scraping is not always 100%. I am going to use my Excel program Artworks Renamer 2.2.xlsm to fix this. I have a separate video on how to use that Excel program, you can find the link below. Now let's reopen Attract Mode Plus, after I used my Renamer program. As you can see, our UI is looking better than before. This is what we want. Let's launch a game. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thanks for watching.